Good morning to all of you. Today we will learn how to conduct online test or exam using Google Form. What is Google Form? Google Form is a free tool from Google that allow you to create form, surveys, quizzes. Share the form with others. Allow others to complete the form online. Collect all the responses in a spreadsheet. Provide you with helpful summaries of the collected data with charts and graphs. You access Google Form through the Google Drive screen or the Google Form web app. You can use Google Form with your personal Google account or through a Google app for education account. Now there are various steps. Step number 1. Create a form. Go to your Google Drive. Then create required fields such as student name, mobile number, etc. At the top right, click settings. Click quizzes. Make this a quiz. To collect the email address is optional. Click general, collect email addresses. Then step number 3, questions. You can add question one by one with their options. Then step number 4, the looks. You can change the look of the form. Then step number 5, you can set the answer with their weightage, that is points. Then step number 6, answer, records and calculations. Step number 7, distributing links for the test. And then step number 8, grading. Now we will see online how to conduct online test. Open your Google account. Then click on Google Apps. There is a 9 dots. Click on Google Apps. Then there are several options appear here. Then click on Google Drive. After that, click on plus button, that is new. Then Google Form. Then blank form. Then give the name to the form. For example, test on computer generation. Okay, same name here. Okay, then collect personal information like email address, first name, middle name, last name and mobile number. Then before that you can set the general settings by using setting options. Collect email addresses, then limit to one response, then presentations, show progress bar, then confirmation message, your response has been recorded. Then click on quizzes. Make this a quiz. Then release grades. You can give the grades immediately after each submission, or you can give it later on. Then click on later on. Then respondents can see missed question, correct answer, point values. This is unclick and then save. Okay. Now required entries. First name. For this we use short answer. There are so many options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down list, file upload, and etc. For this purpose we use short answer. Is the required. Again, next, middle name. Again, short answer required. Then next, last name. or surname. For this purpose again we use short answer, again required field. Next one, mobile number or WhatsApp number. For this purpose we use again short. For this purpose is number, again required. Now this is the required information which we have to collect from the students. Then we have to add section by using add section button. Give the name to the section, test. Okay. Now you can add one by one question by using add a question button. Now first question, if your question bank is ready in Word file, then you can copy it one by one and paste here. First question and its option, 4 options. Paste here. You can set the correct answer by using answer key button. Which electronic components are used in first generation computer? Correct answer is vacuum tubes. And point 2, done. Again required question. Okay. Next question by using again add question button. Next question, copy from Word file and paste here. Again option, correct answer is, you can set correct answer transistor. Again 2 points. Again required question, required answer. The next question number 3, copy and paste here. Again option, copy and paste here. The correct answer is here which electronic components are used in third generation computers? The integrated circuit. And points 2, done. Similarly, again required answer. Next question, again copy from Word file and then paste here. Fourth generation, answer is VLSI microprocessor. C. Again 2 points, done. And required. Next question, fifth question, copy and paste here. Again option, fifth generation computer, paste here. Correct answer is ULSI. Point 2, done. In this way you can add one by one question here and give the points to each question as per your requirement. Okay. In this way we add 5 questions and each question carry 2 marks, that is total points 10. Okay. Then you can change the theme by using customize theme. You can change in this way look. Okay. Then send. Now you can view the form by using preview. In this way this type of form will appear. Section first page contains section A and second page contains another section. Okay. Now send it. or create hyperlink or link so that the student can give the exam. Copy it and send it to a particular person. Okay, here is link. Send. In this way, you can create online test paper for students. Now we can test the link here. In this way, form will open. Again, email address, first name, middle name, and last name, mobile number. Next, second page contains questions. Which electronic components are used in first generation? Answer is vacuum tube. Which electronic components are used in second generation? Answer is transistors. Which electronic components are used in third generation? Answer is integrated circuits. Which electronic components are used in fourth generation? Answer is VLSI. But in this question, I select ULSI. That is wrong answer. Then, which electronic components are used in fifth generation? It is a ULSI. Then, submit. In this way, the test will complete. After that, you can check the responses by using spreadsheet. One response has been recorded here. Open or create spreadsheet. Create. In this way, you can collect the responses from the students one by one. Okay. In these responses, email address, score. Here, one answer is wrong. That's why we get 8 marks out of 10. And all these details are here under with answers. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. It is very helpful to you to create Google Forms so that you can conduct online test for a particular exam. Thank you.